What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Promising at 0.843, up 4% on the day. Seeing market cap 8.09 billion, 25 volume, 614 million. So if we hop into the charts, we're starting to see a reaction from our wave 2 pullback zone. If we can break the bullish confirmation of 0.899, then you can see a straight breakout to the upside. That'd be the more probable scenario. If we fail to do so, we can still reject, create a lower low before bouncing. But I do think there's a good chance we see continuation up from this wave 2 pullback zone and push up towards the wave 3 target of $1.69. As you can see, we are holding the weekly 20, so we love to see that. As long as we can continue to hold that weekly EMA, I think there's a decent chance we bounce off this strong support zone and see continuation to the upside. Ethereum starting to break out here in our wave 5. So you have a micro count here, wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. Now you're pushing up in the wave 3, so potentially 1, 2, pushing up 3, 4, 5. Let's complete that wave 3, so it could push up to about 2486 or a little bit higher. It looks like we may go a little bit higher. And yeah, see continuation up in a 5-wave move, complete that larger wave 1, and then see a wave 2 pullback, and that could take you down. Let me make sure I measure this properly here. 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, yeah. So once we push up, let's say we push all the way up to complete that wave 1. Let's go round number 2800. Then you can see a wave 2 pullback in between 2165 and 1802, minimum target 2315. But we'll wait for that 5-wave move to complete first. And if you look here on the daily chart, yeah, you can see well about 2518. And pop over to our next chart, 2518 is the next major level of resistance. So anywhere from 2518 looks to up about 2624. There was quite a bit of trading volume here on the volume indicator. This zone could offer as a rejection area, and watch that bearish divergence. Eventually, I do think that will play out. And basically, you'll see that larger pullback potentially retest the falling wedge before continuation back to the upside. That's what I think is likely for our friend Ethereum. So in the short term for Matic, if we break the bullish confirmation of 0.894, 0.899, you can see a straight breakout up in the wave 3. Otherwise, we fail to do so, we roll over, we create one more lower low before potentially seeing a breakout. We are currently in trades for XRP, VeChain, Gala Games. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to Bitonix, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. Grab those bonuses as well as the $100 bonus for every 1 million in trading volume until the end of the month. Email me after you make that first deposit. It will give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place. If you want direct access, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon, all links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.